We have to judge the assertion and the reason about motion on an equipotential surface. Let us solve step by step. On an equipotential surface, the electric potential is the same at every point. So the change in potential during motion along that surface is zero. The work done by the electric field depends on the potential difference between the initial and final points. Since that difference is zero, the work done is zero. If the electric field had any component along the surface, potential would change along the surface. But the surface is equipotential, so the field has no tangential component. Having no tangential component means electric field lines are perpendicular to the equipotential surface. This directly explains why a charge moving along it experiences zero work by the field. Both the assertion and the reason are correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. For more such clear step-by-step learning, keep practicing with Acharya.